people can, make all kinds of requests. 1 minute.
How did they come to
1 minute.
people? कैसे पता चला इनको?
1 minute. Ashwini ji, एक बात बताइए. You remember the controversy about, the bow and arrow symbols on lamp post? कांग्रेस को उससे भी प्रॉब्लम था. Some people said, आप बोल रहे ना, people have, demanded. Some people demanded. They said this is provocative. वो जो bow and arrow lights लगे हुए थे वहां पे, वो प्रोवोकेटिव लगे तो कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट ने हटा लिए वो. फिर आउटरेज हुआ, फिर उसको रिवर्स किया. सो व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन?
Pranesh, BJP is becoming ठेकेदार of Hindus. Only 36% people are voting for BJP. As per BJP, rest of the India is not Hindus. They want to radicalize Hindus. They want to make them extremists. And Congress is against that. Congress is against the radicalization of Hindus.
One second.
And all these narratives are built.
What is the narrative here?
One second. Is he saying that if you name a metro station after Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, it will radicalize Hindus? This is a bigger insult of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the first one who was fighting so staunchly against the invaders for our freedom. And sir, I think this is from personal request of Sonia ji that you please name this after Mother Mary. Is that the case? That Sonia ji का आदेश आया इसलिए शिवाजी महाराज को हटाकर आपने मैरी जी का नाम रख दिया है? ये पर्सनल रिक्वेस्ट हो सकता है.
Tushar, how do you see this?
My simple question to the Congress spokesperson. They have the government in Telangana. Will they rename the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport? Simple. Would they want the Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi to be renamed? Because they are renaming metro stations in Delhi, they see no fault in it, they see no radicalization in it, they see no appeasement in it, all fine. Will they be okay if tomorrow the government of India decides that the airports in Hyderabad or in Delhi, they ought to be renamed? Yes or no, and why?
बोलिए अश्विनी जी. Yes, no, why?
Pranesh, ask Tushar also why did they rename the stadium in Ahmedabad after Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to Narendra Modi? Why did they do that?
Complex which is housing the stadium is named after Sardar Patel.
सवाल का जवाब
Complex का नाम सरदार पटेल है.
बट उससे एक मिनट अश्विनी जी, सिंपल क्वेश्चन तुषार पूछ रहे हैं एयरपोर्ट वाला. ये हम डिबेट कर चुके हैं, नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम पे डिबेट कर चुके हैं. ये बता दीजिए ना आप, यस नो वाई बता दीजिए क्यों है.
प्रणेश, जो भी हम नाम चेंज करते हैं वो लोगों के वेलफेयर, लोगों की डिमांड, लोगों की विश के हिसाब से करते हैं. ये जो शिवाजी नगर, जो कि
शिवाजी नहीं, एक मिनट, तो शिवाजी
छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज was not for welfare. What does he mean to say? This Ashwini Mishra will say that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was against welfare. I will request that the Congress Maharashtra unit look at this.
This शिवाजी नगर मेट्रो स्टेशन की जो नाम चेंज की रिक्वेस्ट आई है, जो शिवाजी नगर की जनता है उन लोगों ने किया है. सिद्धरमैया जी ने अपने स्टेटमेंट में बोला इट इज अ रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम द पीपल.
कौन सा किसी ने चिट्ठी लिखी, कोई कैंपेन चला था वहां पे? ये कौन सा रिक्वेस्ट है? ये भी बताएंगे कि ये राहुल गांधी के ट्रिप की तरह सीक्रेट रहेगा?
नहीं, ये सर्वे जो कर्नाटका में होते हैं वो वाला है सर्वे,
9 सेकंड वाला.
नहीं, शहजाद बताएंगे ना. शहजाद अभी बता रहे थे कि वहां के लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि ये नाम होना चाहिए, ये नाम होना चाहिए.
डॉक्टर पुल्ला राव, would you like to answer the question that Tushar has asked?
No, you see, let me come back to one very simple thing.
Don't come back, sir.
I heard something. Can you repeat the question about the Rajiv Gandhi Airport?
Yeah, Tushar, quickly.
Tomorrow, if the government of India decides to rename the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport or the Indira Gandhi International Airport because of the Congress logic that, changing the name means absolutely nothing, either the previous name or the future name, will the Congress be okay with it? It was a question for the Congress spokesperson who very cleverly dodged it.
Definitely, they're bound to protest as it's logical. They named it, whichever government at that time.
Why? So why will you protest then?
One small thing.
If the people are demanding, why should no? But if the people are demanding, Dr. Pulla Rao, why should the Congress protest?
No, they right now. The people there simply are asking for it. The Archbishop also supposedly requested it. On the one hand, you are inviting the Pope to come to India.
Yeah.
These small gestures, you can't do it.
This is not about gesture. 1 minute. No one is saying don't name anything after Mother Mary or Saint Mary. That's not the argument here. Sir, 1 minute. If that place is called Shivaji Nagar, why do you want to rename that station to Saint Mary?
only for geography.
as a
that's
tribute
right.
to Saint Mary, set up something else.
It's right there. They're naming it not because of
Okay,
some
then
unknown
why was
name.
the name of Ramnagara changed to Bengaluru South?
Pardon?
Why was the name of Ramnagara district changed to Bengaluru South?
No, because they wanted to make that an urban area. They wanted to make it part of Bangalore to urbanize it, to get a better rates.
Sir, when I-
Ramnagar is not a good name. Is Ramnagar not a good name to have for an urban area?
They wanted to
Pullara,
make it
what is
part
your
of
name?
Bangalore.
Are
They
you?
said it. They
No,
made it part of
naam
Bangalore South.
naam pe hoga.
Sir,
They made it part of Bangalore South. to
but
get-
sir, why
to
change the?
elevate
What's the
development.
problem with Ramnagara then?
Add value.
And by your logic, then the Congress should call itself the BJP. It will fetch them more votes. Try doing that.
No. I think,
Why?
they're giving. I'm very sad. that
Ask the
BJP
Congress
has
to
taken
call
up
itself
an
the
issue.
BJP. INC, BJP. 3 alphabets.
Small issue. They should have gracefully said, okay, do
Okay,
it.
one
It would have
line,
meant how
just
many-
one line.
It would have meant things.
Pullarauji, just one line, sir. If you are having so much faith and conviction in this name, then why some people not keeping their name Antonia and why they want to change to Sonia?
No, that's a personal choice. No, 1 minute.
No, that is personal
No, 1 minute. Dr. Rao, you've not been able to answer 2 fundamental questions. I'm sure we'll have this debate again. I'm only requesting you, sir, come prepared. अश्विनी जी, नाम देखिए और डॉक्टर पुल्ला राव बोल रहे हैं अगर वोट ज्यादा चाहिए तो नाम बदल लीजिए कांग्रेस का, क्योंकि इस पे तो वोट नहीं आएगा. उन्होंने ही बोला है, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूं. That's all the time we have, viewers. The news hour with Navika Kumar on the other side.